Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to draw an alarm clock. First I have to just close the door because my mom and dad are speaking. So let's go. So first you can find something from your kitchen to trace around for the clock face. So yeah, you don't have to do this. You can just draw the circle. So yeah, trace around it like this. So yeah, when you're finished tracing around your object, you can take a bigger object, half size bigger or something, half size bigger than something, and trace it around it too. Put it over your little circle like that. Here's the clock face. It's not really good. So yeah, and then get something to trace to like draw around for the feet, for the clock feet, for the clock legs. These are its legs. So you don't have to do this. You can just like draw. You can draw them on your clock. So yeah, okay, so when you're done, just draw one circle. Just draw little circles under it. And then put the numbers on. So to make it easy, just put 12 on the top, 6 at the bottom of the clock, 3 on the side of the clock, and 9 on the other side of the clock. Like that. So, and then put 1, 2, make sure you don't go 3, just skip a number, and then go 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, like that. So yeah. And guys, also get your object again and trace around it. Trace around it as well for the I don't know what these things are called, like just forget about it, guys. So yeah. And then you just draw the 2 ears on or something. The 2 ears for the clock, and like yeah. My one is terrible. And then just put that like that right there, and then just these 2 things right there, and then draw this pole goes across like that. My one looks terrible. So guys, you can probably do better than me. So just draw a dot in the middle of the clock face, and then draw arrows. And guys, you can draw the arrows in any direction you want. That's how clocks work. So yeah, you can draw in any direction the arrows. So I'm gonna draw the minute hand. The minute hand looks like this. And the hour hand. Oopsie. If there gets a mistake, you make sure you have a black marker so you can fix it. You can color it in over that mistake with black pen. So yeah, here. What time is it? Guess what time is this? Okay. That's right, guys. It is 7:07 p.m. Yeah. So, yeah. And then, don't forget about the second hand, guys. So, just draw on the clock like that. You can draw in any direction. Like, you can draw on the 10 or the 9 or the 8. Or in between 8 and 7. Or in between 7 and 6. Or on 5, 4, 3, or 2, or 1, or on 12. Yeah, so that's how time goes. So, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And it's been already 6 minutes and 9 seconds. This took me a long time. So, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.